Hey friends, who's hungry? Looking for an idea to use up leftover holiday ham? Whip up a batch of creamy deviled ham salad. Combine 1 pound of roughly chopped cooked ham and 1 stalk of chopped celery in the bowl of a food processor. Process until the ingredients are finely minced. If you don't have a food processor, you can do this by hand. Transfer the minced ham and celery to a large mixing bowl, then add half a cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon of hot sauce, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon of pickle relish, and 1/4 cup of diced green onions. Stir until everything is evenly combined, then cover the bowl and allow the deviled ham to chill in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. Looking for more recipes? Be sure to follow me.